The inception of the glazed and trapezoidal double machine traces back to the collaborative efforts of visionary engineers and experts from diverse fields. Drawing inspiration from glass manufacturing and geometry, the GTDM project aimed to create a versatile apparatus that could surpass the limitations of traditional machinery. At the heart of the GTDM lies the glaze technology, a novel concept that involves applying a protective layer of glaze over critical components. The glaze's smooth surface minimizes maintenance requirements, ensuring prolonged operational life. The glazed and trapezoidal double machine stands as a testament to human ingenuity in the field of engineering. Its combination of glazed technology and trapezoidal precision sets new standards in precision machining, revolutionizing industries that demand uncompromising quality and accuracy. As the world continues to embrace the fourth industrial revolution, the GTDM promises to be a key enabler of progress, propelling technology to unforeseen heights and driving innovation across professional sectors.